is me and my baby. My name is Dean, so we're cooking adobo. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the video, but remember, so here we are, guys. We're just cooking adobo in the kitchen, so I hope you enjoy to watch it, and I hope you can cook the same what we cook. And because adobo is really good for you, it's also a chicken just like regular chicken, like fried or crispy chicken. And so now we're just at home after we eat some dinner, or we're just watching SpaceX Crew Dragon. So I hope you enjoy our nice video. Oh, thank you.